Hi my beauties, welcome back to another tutorial Tuesday. So we're back at it again with the same palette we used on our last video. If you're new, welcome. If you didn't see my last video, I'll let you know what it is. So this palette that I used on my last video, it is nothing but the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow in Truffles, and it's only $3 and you can achieve many looks. So for today's look, I did this one right here. If you want to see how I did it, then just continue to watch. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in so we can go ahead and do that eye look. As you can tell, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Sand, and as you guys know, this is my favorite. I won't be talking so much because I realized that in the last video I was talking too much and it was just so long. So this concealer is really good. I really like it. And then I'm gonna go in with the flat BH Cosmetics brush, the number 102 that looks something like this. I'm just gonna apply it. The reason why we went in with the darker shade today in concealer is because our colors don't need to be that bright. You know what I'm saying? We only use a bright concealer when we need our colors to pop out. So now we're gonna just blend. This is with the Makeup Shack T94. We're gonna remove any excess. We're gonna go in with the Makeup Shack T46 just to blend out. So just like we used in the last video, I want to get the max out of this palette. So we're gonna use again the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow in Truffles. So we're gonna go in with the dark brown. We're gonna go in with the flat brush like this. And this is a Morphe, not sure, it came with a bunch of other ones. So we're gonna go in with the dark brown right here. And just enough. So like we do have our face done. Make sure you remove the excess. And you just tap it. What we're doing right now, we're just depositing. I'm gonna bring it up a little over your crease, just a little without applying any more eyeshadow. And with a small blending brush, this is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 8. We're gonna go in with the lighter shade. Just this one right here. And we're just gonna create a line within the line, if that makes sense. We're just doing tapping motions, depositing. So we're kind of erasing the dark line with the lighter, okay? So now for this part, it's really important that you clean your brush because we are going to blend it. So with a clean brush, we're just gonna blend this edge first. And then same clean, we're gonna come in here and blend the dark shadow. We don't want to make it seem like we have two lines right there. And then at the same, we're gonna blend up and bring that same dark color up. So once you kind of see how the top part's gonna be, if you like what you see, then go back in. I like how it looks. You'll go back in with dark shade right here in dark brown and intensify what we lost. I'm gonna bring it up this. Just tapping motions. I'm gonna go back with the same brush with no product and just blend the dark shade into the lighter shade. We don't want to make it look like there's just two lines. And just go in with the dark again. Just tapping with no product. Just whatever was left. Just blend the line. And then we're gonna go in with this again, and that's no product. Just blend. So for the bottom, where we apply our lashes, I'm gonna go in with this smaller brush, and this is the Morphe M210. We're gonna go in with the black shade. Just tap a little, we don't need a lot. We're gonna create a line. This. We really want to smoke out this area. So just make this a little dark. Okay, on the other side, same brush, we're gonna go in with this shade right here, the dark brown. And we're just gonna go a little under. Gonna blend. Make sure you connect it to the side. We don't wanna just make it look boom black and that's it. Now with the one that has no product, with the one we used for the light shade, we're just gonna go in and just blend the harsh lines that were left in the bottom. Sure it's connected. And then we just want to go back in with the same one, a little bit black. Just go over it just so it can be a little intense. Forgot something. I forgot the inner corner highlight. We're gonna go with this shade right here. Just a flat brush that I got from eBay. I'm just gonna apply it like a C. Like a C curve. And then just apply a little up here. And then just blend it out. And we're gonna go in with the flat brush. And just blend it out. So for this look, you always want to go with dramatic eyelashes. And the reason why is because the dark covers the dramatic eyelashes. So it doesn't make them look that dramatic. They look kind of natural. So I'm going to go in with the Gally collection, Gally & Co lashes in the style Piña Loca. I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm going to go in with this tool right here and just put them together with my eyelash so they can look very natural. Or not natural, but you're not able to see my eyelashes with the fake ones. And this tool I got it at Amazon. Hey guys, this is the final look. It was super easy, super affordable, and using one palette. Let me know what you think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!